Namaskaram to everyone. Health is all about the habit, basically. Due to this pandemic situation, we are into the most sedentary lifestyle, and because of that, everyone is facing problem some or other way. It can be physically, it can be psychologically, it can be emotionally. We are hurt, right? So let us try to fix that because the most important thing right now is that we survive through this pandemic situation, right? And for that, the most important thing is that we get a good kind of workout, we get a good kind of nutrition, we get a good sleep. The surrounding has to be proper and clean, and for that, so let us work together to fix it. My name is Arun Kumar and I am a yoga teacher. I've been teaching yoga since from past 7 to 8 years now. I am conducting a 21-day workshop in yoga. 21 day is just because we need 21 days to create this as a habit base, because healthy habit is very important. Because if we are having a healthy habit, you will see that that is because of that things are getting the same thing is getting reflected on your another other day-to-day activities also. Just for an example, now to create a habit, just you can consider this as a small takeaway from this video. Like for an example, you try to fix your home for 10 minutes. 10 minutes every single day of your life. When you try to do that repeatedly, it's not about cleaning your home. Basically, when you try to set things right in your home, you are actually cleaning your mind also. So what happens here is whenever you enter into that particular space, you will see that the mind also works in that way. Have you observed, if everything around you is messed up, you will see that the mind also works in that particular frequency. If everything is set right in its own place, you will see a fresh feeling happening within yourself. Not only that, the thoughts and imagination which comes in your mind will be in sync with that. So that's the power of habit, basically, right? Now in the class, now in this class, what we will be learning is more of yogasana, pranayama, a little bit of meditation included with that, and kriyas also, which will be talking about that after that 21 days of the class, basically, right? So with this video, in the description down below, there is a small meditation attached to it. So whenever you find time after your office work or before, when you start your day, just before the office work, try to listen to that with eyes closed and be a little meditative, which will help you to start your day with more energy, right? I want you to sign up for the class for the next 21 days, which is going to happen. Sign up and we will announce the date. We will be connecting with you through WhatsApp or via call. Me or my team will call you up. Health is the starting point of everything that you wanted to do in your life. Give your health a priority. Namaste. I'll see you in class. Thank you very much.